Hello and welcome. Today we're talking about some tips for success in our 6th grade world cultures classroom. Let's get started. So my expectations for the year are that we are all respectful to each other. We're going to treat each other with kindness and courtesy, using kind words, listening to each other, working together to solve our problems. We are going to be responsible, participate actively, completing our assignments on time in Schoology, and taking ownership for our learning. We are going to be safe learners, following instructions and participating appropriately in all activities. Mastery matters. So in this course, mastery is about showing a deep understanding of the content. So the questions I'm going to be asking you throughout the year: can you explain the concept in your own words? Can you solve problems and apply your learning in new situations? Communication is key, so I'm here to help you learn. Feel free to ask questions in Schoology or during class discussions. We are also going to be communicating with our classmates through group work, collaboration activities, accountability groups, and other various ways throughout the year. So we're going to be building our learning toolkit. This year is all about building strong learning habits for success. These learning habits will help you through middle school and into high school and college. So we are going to be active in class. Do not just read the information, engage with it. Take the notes, ask questions, participate in discussions. I am giving you a copy of notes that are fill in the blank for the first part of the year. As we progress through the year, they may lose a few words so that you start learning how to take notes in a lecture without all of the extra stuff added on the note page. Practice makes perfect. So we're going to regularly complete our learn and practice activities. The more you practice, the stronger your understanding will be. And challenge yourself. Feeling ready for more? Those extend activities are a great way to challenge yourself. Maybe you find one of the extend activities are just like really interesting and you really want to do that project. Feel free to ask me, Miss Alim, hey, can I do that extend activity? We'll get together, work out a plan for you to get that extend activity done as well. So if you need help, that's not a problem. There are tons of resources available to help you on your learning journey. Schoology is our hub. This course is entirely on Schoology. You'll find all of your assignments, all of your materials, and discussions there. If you got questions, ask away. Don't hesitate to ask questions. In Schoology discussion boards, you can message me in Schoology directly. If you're at home and you have a question, message me. During class time, if you have a question, ask. Ask a partner, ask a neighbor. I'm here to support your learning throughout the year. That is my job, is to help you with your education. So if you have questions, ask. So there are also some extra resources on the next tab in this Unit 0. Feel free to explore those next.